name is 𝐉𝐚𝐫𝐚𝐫𝐚, Global Key Account Manager at Challenge Group. Our journey in pharma supply chain management is marked by precision, speed, and care. We always ensure swift airside transfer to our advanced cold storage facilities, minimizing your time on tarmac and any temperature deviations. Each product receives bespoke care, whether it's using dry ice, thermal blankets, or any of our active or passive containers. At the core of this service is our dedicated pharma supply chain team, experts in crafting solutions dedicated to your unique needs. For decades, top pharma clients have entrusted us, and that's a testament to our unwavering commitment to excellence. Our global network in both air and road will ensure that your products are delivered efficiently, maintaining the highest standards of safety and reliability. Join us in shaping the future in Bern this coming May. I look forward to seeing you all there.